Well, we feel that one of our hidden secrets is what we do. Once a potential client comes in, a owner, and sees our people in action and what they're producing and how it looks and how they inspect, and those people can stop anyone, talk to them. Sometimes our people will go up to them and no doubt introduce themselves and ask if they have any questions. They're very open and very honest with what we do here.
We're standing here in front of one of the roof build sections there. This is a little bit different than residential housing. We build this section all in one piece, then we use our cranes to hoist it up and put it on top of the walls for the house or unit, as people would say. The drywall is already secured to the bottom, where in the residential house you would have your framework then come in and secure it. So we do think that a little bit different. That helps speed up the process from there. On the side here, this is part of the exterior wall that they have framed up and drywalled. They're getting ready to lift it up with the hoist and cranes to be able to pick it up and move it over to the unit and set it all in one piece. Here again, that's a little bit different. It helps speed the processes up and still building sections. And to have a lot of people lift it, we're able to use the hoist and cranes to be able to pick it up and go from there. So I'm here talking to Mike Atkins. He's one of the foremen here. So you've been here quite a few years, have you not?
Quite a few. Started here in '97.
So from that point, what changes have you seen from product-wise?
Well, I've seen this facility go from little stick houses to regular houses on the inside. With the quality is immaculate.
Your areas, how many different areas have you been in and have knowledge of in this plant?
Well, in the 17 years I've been here, just about every area except for probably plumbing and chassis. But anywhere from the front door all the way back, I've probably ran most of them, one time or the other.
That's another aspect as far as the ability and the knowledge that we have here, that we have the point where people like Mike can be able to move from different areas and help train people, help run the facility, know exactly what to do from that point. So, thank you, Mike.
You betcha, Sam.
Just one of the about 140 associates here inside the factory working. We have about 65% of our people have been a year's service or more from that point. So we have a good nucleus that we're building off of for the future. We're down here in the final part of the plant. In this section down here, as you see, a lot of the homes are getting close to be completed. The exteriors have been painted from here, and we're doing some touch-up work. The insides are being cleaned at this point in time, and the inspections have started for the inside work after completion. Then they'll be outside to do a visual inspection with the broad daylight. We want that natural sunlight to be able to see the units to get a real good inspection on that part. So, and as you can see, we're indoors, and we're able to do all this stuff inside to be able to control environment, and where other people may have to be waiting for the rain to stop, the snow to stop, ice, things like that there. By being in the heated building that we're in, we're able to complete units that much more quicker and to give a very good product from there.
We have confidence that what we build is equal to anything out there.